In our last video, we took you through the exciting renovations happening at Kasarani Stadium. Today we are back with a major update. Let's dive into what's changed since our last look. The transformation of Kasarani Stadium is moving full steam ahead, and the progress is nothing short of impressive. As promised, the old seating is being replaced with brand new, comfortable chairs, and fans are going to love the improvements. The seating will not only be more comfortable, but also more accessible, with better views of the action and spaces designed for people with disabilities. This means a more inclusive and enjoyable experience for everyone who steps into the stadium. When it comes to the pitch, the transformation is already underway. The new FIFA-approved turf is being laid, ensuring that Kasarani's football field will be up to international standards. Whether it's a local match or a global competition, athletes will have a state-of-the-art surface to compete on. The athletics track is also getting a complete overhaul. The new track will meet global competition standards, providing Kenya's athletes with the ideal environment to push their limits. But it's not just about sports. Kasarani Stadium is being transformed into a true multi-purpose venue. The stadium will be able to host more than just football and athletics. It will also be a prime destination for concerts, business expos, and even esports tournaments. With a seating capacity of 60,000, this means Kenya will soon be able to attract international artists, global business leaders, and massive entertainment events. The installation of modern audiovisual systems is already in progress, ensuring that concerts and events held at the stadium will offer a world-class experience. Another exciting update is the improvement of the stadium's amenities. Renovations to the dressing rooms, VIP lounges, media facilities, and concession stands are well underway. Athletes, journalists, and fans alike will benefit from these modernized spaces, ensuring that Kasarani meets the highest standards for global events. Security and safety are also a major focus, with the installation of new surveillance systems, better crowd control mechanisms, and emergency response measures. With these upgrades, Kasarani isn't just being renovated, it's being completely reimagined. The progress so far proves that Kenya is serious about becoming a hub for major sporting and entertainment events. The government and stakeholders involved in the project have reaffirmed their commitment to ensuring that the renovations are completed on schedule. Once fully operational, Kasarani will not only elevate Kenya's sports and entertainment scene, but also contribute to the country's economy by attracting tourism, investment, and international partnerships. So, what's next? Over the coming months, we'll continue tracking the progress, from the finishing touches on the pitch to the final installations of seating and facilities. The countdown to Kasarani's grand reopening has begun, and we can't wait to see it fully come to life. What part of this renovation excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, check out the previous one to see how the project began.